Hello there! Here's another video brought to you by www.ledtvscreens.org. The uniqueness of each site: LCD, plasma, LED, OLED, and LPD technology. Many technologies have been incorporated in televisions, and we don't know what mechanism undergoes with it. To help you understand the different technologies, let us help you find a better way to learn it in a simple way. So journey with us in this article and dig information that will be helpful to you. LCD. LCD is also known as liquid crystal display. In this type of technology, liquid crystals encompass a wide range of rod-shaped polymers that naturally form into thin layers. Some of the crystals, the nematic ones, form an alignment effect between the layers. The particular direction of the alignment of a nematic liquid crystal can be set by placing it in contact with an alignment layer or director, which is essentially a material with microscopic grooves in it. LCDs are relatively inefficient in terms of power use per display size because the vast majority of light that is being produced at the back of the screen is blocked before it reaches the viewer. For these reasons, the backlighting system has to be extremely powerful. In spite of using highly efficient CCFLS, most sets use several hundred watts of power, more than would be required to light an entire house with the same technology. Plasma. Plasma TVs have flat panel display. Several minute cells between two panels of glass hold a mixture of noble gases. The gas contained by the cell is electrically turned into plasma, which emits ultraviolet light, which then excites phosphorus to emit noticeable light. Displays from plasma screens are bright and have a wider color gamut or a subset or complete set of colors found within an image in a given circumstance. They produce fairly large sizes up to 3.8 meters or 150 inches diagonally. They have a very low luminance darkroom black level compared to the lighter gray of the unilluminated parts of an LCD screen. Power consumption varies greatly with picture content, with bright scenes drawing significantly more power than darker ones. LED. LED TVs, also known as light-emitting diode, on the other hand, use backlighting technology with the use of LED. Its screen contains blue, red, and green LEDs, which lights up to produce the correct color. It has two types of backlighting technology: the edge lighting and full array. Its backlighting technology makes it possible to consume 40% less power, making it eco-friendly. In edge lighting technology, a chain of sequence of LED backlights are placed along the external edges of the screen. Light then spreads across the screen. Through this method, television can be made very slim. However, black levels are not that deep, and the edge area of the screen has a propensity to be brighter than the center area. Full array technology uses several layers of LED and puts it at the back of the entire surface of the screen. Local dimming is possible in this type of backlighting technology. This just means that a LED can be turned on and off alone within the areas of the screen, and so you can have more controls on the TV's brightness and darkness. While TVs with edge lighting technology are slim, TVs with full array are thick. There are several methods of backlighting an LCD panel using LEDs, including the use of either white or RGB LED arrays positioned behind the panel. The edge LED lighting, which uses the white LEDs arranged around the inside frame of the TV, along with a special light diffusion panel designed to spread the light evenly behind the LCD panel. OLED. OLED TV stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode. It is comprised of carbon, which is the basis of all organic matter, hence the name. Its carbon-based organic compound emanates red, blue, and green lights in response to electric current. Two types of OLED are available: the small molecule OLED, which has a longer lifespan, and the polymer OLED. The technology incorporated with this piece of gadget is pretty much amazing. Just imagine the layers in a sandwich. The layer of organic material serves as a jam or cheese or whatever you prefer for your sandwich. The conductors, which are the anode and cathode, serve as the pieces of breads that enclose the organic material. The conductors are in turn sandwiched between a glass top plate as the seal and a glass bottom plate as the substrate. And so, when there is an application of electric current to the two conductors, a bright electroluminescent light is produced directly from the organic material. LPD. LPD is also known as laser phosphor display. It has basically two components, mainly the laser engine and the phosphor panel. The primary function of the laser engine is to focus an array of beams that are modulated onto the panel. The drivers of the laser engine are solid-state laser diodes, which are common in high-density optical storage media devices. A necessary number of lines are created by mirrors that reflect a collection of laser beams. The approach is similar to the mechanism in laser printers to produce images on the printing drum and paper, but with LPD display, the image is rapidly refreshed, resulting in high-quality video. The lasers can be turned on and off and vary in their intensity. By this way, the pixels across the image line horizontally are defined. The second component, which is the phosphor panel, is patterned in an array of phosphors layered in a rigid and stable structure made of glass or polymer. Red, green, and blue colors are emitted by these phosphors with a very rapid response upon stimulation by the laser scanning across their surface. The panel also contains additional layers that improve the quality of image being produced. For more articles and videos, visit our website at www.ledtvscreens.org.